Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MIRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And the power of charts, the level that I talked about as support, was it exact? No, but I think we can all agree that given how volatile of a stock this was, to see that it stayed that close to that green line right there as support, and then got the bounce to the upside, and then today got the breakout of that red line resistance there that I talked about a couple of days ago, and then exploded from that point. Like I said, not patting myself on the back, but definitely patting the chart or the tool of technical analysis and charts on the back because, yeah, they're definitely a tool. Are they perfect? No, nothing's perfect, but should they be a tool that's in your trader tool belt? Absolutely. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines here. They've served their purpose for now, but let's get some of the near-term levels mapped out. So in the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above $22.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $22.50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as that line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 22 would be great. Or excuse me, 22.50 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm more so curious with just this trend line resistance right here. You can see that pretty much all afternoon long, the price just drifted lower and lower. So I'm very interested to see if the price can get a high volume break of that. That doesn't necessarily mean it's for sure going back up to those highs around 27, but this thing can move quick. So with a trend line break, like I said, especially on high volume, would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially go up to 27, if not higher than that. But very interesting setup, very nice movement today. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.